About 8 million tonnes of plastic enters the oceans every year, and environmentalists have long sounded the alarm bell over this pollution time bomb that is killing a huge number of seabirds and marine mammals. Fresh hope comes from the North Sea, where Dutch company Ocean Cleanup is testing a system of floating barriers which could help to collect debris.
The system is made out of these very long floating barriers, as we can see here, which allows us to catch and concentrate the plastic, but also out of mooring systems that keep it in one place, and a system that takes the plastic out of the ocean once it's concentrated.
The 100-metre-long V-shaped prototype will be tested in the tough conditions of the North Sea for 1 year. Waste gets pushed by ocean currents towards the V's apex, where debris shall be collected and sent to a recycling facility.
In the past, people thought about cleaning up the ocean, but those ideas were all based on boats with nets that would go out and fish for plastic. But the thing with that is that it wouldn't only kill sea life and be very expensive, but it would also take about 79,000 years to do so.
However, the floating barriers can only catch waste on the sea's surface, which is a small part of the millions of tonnes that may have entered the oceans since the 1970s, according to estimates.
80% of all that waste in the sea originates from land-based sources, so you cannot tackle just marine debris. So this prototype, of course, tackles one part, but if you really want to tackle marine debris, you have to start on land.
If successful, it may be deployed by 2020. The company claims in 10 years it could remove almost half of the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, an area of the North Pacific Ocean where debris naturally concentrates because of the sea's currents.